Hi! In front of me is VIVO T2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to access Albums app and then click on Photos or Albums at the bottom. After locating a photo that you wish to delete, hold it. And to select multiple right away, tap on those three dots at the top left corner. Then click on Select All at the top. Now to exclude some of your pictures that you wish to keep, tap on them. And to delete the rest, use this bin next to three dots. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!